Are you drowning in the sea of Asana tasks with no due dates in sight? Well, get ready to transform your task management and learn how to set due dates in batches on Asana. In this video, I will show you how to efficiently schedule multiple tasks at once, saving you time and ensuring that deadlines are crystal clear for your entire team. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Asana project and switch to List View now. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click on the first task you want to include in the batch. While still holding Shift, click on the last task to select all the tasks in between. Alternatively, you can also use Command or Control key to manually select each task one by one. All selected tasks will be highlighted. Once you've selected all your desired tasks, a blue bar will appear at the bottom of your screen. This is your batch editing control center. Click on the Set Due Date option. Within the blue bar, a calendar will pop up. Choose the desired due date from the calendar. You can also select a specific time, if necessary. Finally, click the Set Due Date button, and just like that, all the selected tasks now have the same due date. This simple trick can save you a ton of time, especially when dealing with large projects, so ditch the manual date setting and embrace the power of batch editing in Asana. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks.